Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and fine. We are in our second session of Metronomy. Today we have with us eminent personality from Harvard, Mr. Raj Kamali. I extend warm welcome to Raj sir on behalf of all of us at LS Rangers School of Art Worli. Now I would like to give you a small introduction about Raj sir. Born a proud Mumbaite, Raj Kamble is a graduate of the Sir J.J. School of Applied Art. He started his career at Enterprise Nexus Low Mumbai, where he went on to win half a dozen Clio Awards and three B&AD Silver Pencil in his formative years. He then moved to World Level Science in London, where he worked on brands such as Stella Artois, Unilever, Nestle, Cap, etc. After 2 years in London, he took up a new role as creative director at Loom, New York. His winning streak continues as he bagged one show gold and gold lion at Cannes for his work for Stella Artois Gillette Life of Life Foundation. In 2010, he was hired by BBDO New York. His work, titled World's Biggest Show, was talked about in the Financial Times, CNBC, and the New York Times. After more than a decade in the business, Raj Kamari moved back to his hometown as the managing partner for BBH India, where he handled accounts like Vaseline, Diageo, World Sport Council, and Google Chrome, etc. He is now founder and chief creative officer at Famous Innovations. In 5 years since its inception, Famous has created some iconic innovation for several Indian and global brands. Is a three-time winner of South Asia Independent Agency of the Year by Campaign India and was listed among the world's leading independent agency in 2016, 2017, and 2018. Raj has cumulatively won more than 150 global awards, including at Cannes Lions, One Show, B&AD, the Clio Awards, and Andy Awards, AdFest, and Art Director Club. He has been jury at Cannes, One Show, AdFest, etc. He has given lectures at institutes such as the Kellogg Institute of Management and Columbia University. He has also run Miami Art School in India. Most recently, he has been elected the Board of Governors of IIM Kozhikode. Now I request Raj sir to share his thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you, Richa ma'am. And I think such a long introduction, but Richa ma'am is my classmate in JJ School of Art, so I think she knows how bad student I was in JJ School of Art. So she's saying all the good things. She's not telling bad things.
I cannot see you.
Okay. Sujit sir, one second, sir. Sujit sir, please switch off your audio. Sujit sir. Yeah. Okay.
I think Richa ma'am, you also can put on mute. It will help.
Hello, sir.
Can you put on the mute so I can hear a clear voice? Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Okay. So thank you, Richa. Thank you, Ambika ma'am. I really appreciate the Reja School. Always, I'm a big admirer of. I think we always hire few students, always every year, and a couple of students are doing amazing work from your college. About myself, Richa ma'am is my classmate, where I study JJ School of Art. You are Richa ma'am, and RO's Anjali ma'am. Those days before she got married. Um I finished in a 96 batch, so last 25 years in this industry. Uh, I think it's an interesting time. First time I can see the online Saturday evening, 125 people wanted to listen to me. in such a short time. I really appreciate. Uh, yes, I have studied JJ School of Arts. Then I worked in London for 5 years and New York for 10 years. Running a company, we have three offices: Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore, around 150 people. The one good news I can share with you, you're the first one to know now in publicly. Today I got appointed to as a one of the board member for NID. So government also expecting me to add value in a new design and technology and data analysis world. I'm very happy. I think always have a time for so when Ambedkar ma'am requested me, I can't say no. Thank you for the invitation. I hope today I will speak less and let you guys talk. Uh, I think uh, I never imagined we will be having a talk like this, like 150 students sitting on a my iPad talking to you guys, and never imagined that this is going to be the best communication when I can come to your class, stand there, I can see your classroom. I can see everybody sitting in the bench. Always some naughty kids sitting in the last bench, commenting. Some enthusiastic, ideally girl sitting in the front bench, and it's a fun energy. Lots of learning for me how you guys look. It's remind me my college time, and I enjoy that 2 hours with you guys. But today, no less. I think I can't see you, but I can only see myself in a small size, 1 inch by 1 inch square. And I hope whatever I put, I 3 4 slide presentation, I will tell you is a big GAN. But I think it's more than a GAN, is my experience. I hope I can inspire you today's talk. Hear it, ask the question. I must tell you, there is no stupid question in the world. People who ask the most stupidest question, they are the biggest successful people because they have courage to ask that stupid question. So never ever hesitate to ask question. I think we should put more time on asking question answer and less time I can talk, because my talk I'm going to tell you about something that I experienced it, but I want to hear it what you guys think and what is your question. So thank you once again. Really appreciate. I think we can start with the slide next. So this picture, I think my classmate Mani Sampat took it few years ago, and he made it me look old because many time we go for business and they wanted to see some CEO owner of the company. They want to give me 100 crore business. They don't want to give their 100 crore business to some young kid. So Mani Sampat made me skinny, made me look older, and that look me wise, look me like a mature person. But I think this picture is not mine; it's a fake picture. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. So I think I gave this subject. Uh, can Ambedkar madam, everyone can hear, right? Everybody can hear what I'm saying. They can see me. Is everything's going right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Yes.
perfect. So I think the subject today I chose after reading last 15, 20 days what's happening in the world. It's called "Damn It, They Took My Job." So yesterday, New York Times has a news saying around 50 to 60 million people lost their job in USA. When they start losing a job, economy they're holding it, they're pumping to money to Wall Street. So sometime they can hold it, but eventually that will hit to India, and people will start losing their jobs in India. My friend who was a photo editor of a Hindu, he lost his job yesterday. I think it's a job cutting will start happening soon in India also. The way this whole coronavirus taking us, uh, all the businesses are open in India, but nobody's buying anything. So that impact is going to be another 1.5 year. So people say the expression कि there's a 10 साल में एक साल ऐसा आता है जो 10 साल के बराबर होता है. I think this year was like that. Whatever innovation was happening in a growth, whatever the bad thing happening going down, the arrows were going down. Whatever that will be 10 years from now, means 2000 2031 में जहाँ होना चाहिए था, that thing is going to happen in 2021. So this 1 year is going to equal for next 10 years. Whatever the innovation things going to happen is going to happen from now, next 1 more year. So next year, June, I think the whole dynamics of every single business is going to change. So it's most interesting time when all your kids around like 18 to 20, 16 to 21, your life you will be remember when you're old with your grandsons, if you ever have your wives and your kids and your girlfriends, you will laugh and say, I know it was a crazy time. This is going to be the most memorable time in your life. Remember, staying at home for 6 months. So, the subject today, if the 60 million people lost a job in the US, damn it, they took my job. The subject because people are going to be less jobs, so everybody is looking for job desperately. Uh, 60 million means what? I think the 60 million is the population of a Britain. The entire Britain is a 60 million, 60 means 60 million. So just imagine entire Britain means England don't have a single person job. Out of 300 million, 60 million people lost a job. So around every fifth or sixth person, every sixth person in America today are looking for job. And India, we have a 3 seasons, rain, कई बार बहुत ज़्यादा rain, कई बार less rain. Huge number of people are moving to different kind of businesses. Jobs are working from home. The jobs are going to change. I think I have a doubt. Movie theaters, people are going to watch a movie, or people are going to travel. Many restaurant, people are going to sit next to each other or traveling in the train. I think eventually after 6 months, 1 year, people will start. But this fear is always going to be in our head. All those things are connected to our career, our future. But I am not going to tell you today how bad the situation, how the coronavirus going. I'm going to look at the positive side. I'm going to tell you something as a being me as a school of art student. If I was my drawing was good, yes, it was good. My typography is good, good. My illustration was okay, okay. Is my photography sensibility was very good, very good. Can I tell a story? Yes, I was average, above average student, hardworking. I came from extremely humble background. My dad was a shoemaker. My grandfather was a shoemaker. I'm from Kolhapur, but I born in Mumbai. But my grandfather father came from Kolhapur. We are a Khandani family business of making Kolhapuri chappals. And somewhere that businessman helped me a lot than being an art director or being a creative student. Today I'm going to tell you about the combination of a business and the communication what we studied because many of my class, okay, they're very good. They're the best illustrator in my class, the best typographer. I think the gold medalist from my class and above class don't have a job today, or they're doing somewhere a small job. It's very unfortunate. That is a reality. So I think people are going to lose a job. How are we going to look at it? I think today in next 10 minutes, I'm going to talk about where is the future. If I'm in your place, where I will be. So can you go next slide? Okay. So normally we all born like this. Uh, Normally out of 7 million sperms, one who reaches to the end and only one who's lucky. I think today 123 people, 1 second, how many we are today? 119, 120. We are 120 lucky one who reaches to the egg and we are not like a other 6 million, 7 million, may say 8, 6 million or whatever number is. We are not of them. So I will say we are lucky. We got a birth, we are alive, did not go to the wrong place. We are alive and we have got admission. We are we already won competition worth of a 7 million. Other brothers we have, they didn't make it. So we already are lucky. We already are made it half a thing in life. Now we have everything. We have a good school. We have everything. We're physically right, mentally right. How we can go to the next? Unfortunately, so we go back. So all these 120 people on this phone call today, I have to tell you a lucky one side, but trust me, only one or two people out of this 122 people will make it happen in life. That means they will be successful. Only one or two out of 120 people today. But all other are going to be wasting their career for finding out what they want to do, and they will be lazy. They will get older faster, and then we will be struggling. I wish I have done that. I wish I have done that. Oh shit, I haven't took a call. I never argue. I never fight. I never uh, work hard. I never look at the ahead the curve. I never imagine for long term. Unfortunately, we have to accept it. Today, write down in a white piece of paper out of 120 people, only two people are going to be successful. Other people will live their life average or below average or okay. It's unfortunate, but that is a research shows. Okay. Now I can go to the next slide. So we all students, I believe, all from School of Arts, where myself I'm from School of Arts, and yeah, go on, Sumit. And early days when I have in a School of Arts, I have a choice to normally I go to advertising like myself. I finished JJ School of Arts and I took a job with a company called Enterprise Nexus. That was the hottest ad agency. It's owned by a guy called Mohammed Khan, and he's the owner. And I met a company called Low, and I don't know who's Low. Then I went to the company called Ogilvy. So I only heard the name, but I don't know who's Ogilvy. Then I went to Leo Burnett. It's again somebody's name, but I never met that guy. I don't know what is Leo Burnett. Then BBDO is a four people come together, or BBH, the three people come together. So all these big advertising agencies are always named outside. Is an individual person. Leo Burnett is a person. Ogilvy is a person. Low is a person. Foot Cone Building is a foot cone, foot foot cone and building. Three people. FCB, foot cone and building. Three people. They come together. They start the agency. So in individual business advertising become a business and become a people are working for network agencies. They have offices. Uh, I think today the one art director in advertising agency in a New York or Chicago or Miami, if I average take it in a New York, one art director or one copywriter, one art director can go to New York, work 10 years in experience in advertising, charge around 3,000 to 5,000 US dollar per day as a is a fees. 3,000 minimum to 5,000 maximum per day. That is if it's 4,000, if you average is around 2.8 lakh rupees per day he charge as his fees per day, like means 8 to 10 hours. So advertising business is fantastic globally. I worked 10 years in Manhattan, uh, wealthy, rich. India, we don't do a freelance culture. I think we do job with like 50,000 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 month job, you can get a 5 lakhs. But that again, 8, 10 years experience. So money compared to us and them, a thousand times bigger. But people like me who decide to work for Muhammad Khan because I know who I'm working for. I know the guy's name outside the agency, the owner of the agency. I will get a chance. He paid me 3,000. That time my salary, I started with the 3,000 rupees. When Ogilvy paid me 7,000 and Low pay me 7,000. But I chose Muhammad Khan because I thought he's a mad guy. I can see his energy, his small setup. I will get a chance to do what I like to do. If I have an idea, I can go to the owner. And I'm only as good as who's my boss. If my boss is good, if he's good creative, he will take my career somewhere. If my boss is not good, he's a bad creative. Doesn't matter how good creative I am. He's going to tell you is shit. Do it again the way he imagined. So choosing a right boss. Don't choose a company. Never ever choose a company. How big the company, how big the name doesn't matter. You always choose a company, not choose a company, choose a person who you're going to report. Because you have a good idea, but if he have a bad taste, your boss, your ad will never make it happen, and you become a, after 2 3 years, you have nothing good work in your portfolio and getting a job anywhere. So I took a job in ad agency with Mohammed with the half a salary, but I enjoy because I can get a chance to go to him directly, talk to him directly, and I learn a lot. He was the toughest guy I have that time. But advertising is the only job that time. It's the most glamorous, the most amazing job. Today, there's so many jobs. Today, if I wanted, if I finish the college and I'm a fantastic storytelling, there's so many advertising people today doing stand-up comedian. Now, stand-up comedian can be writing a movies, or writing a TV show, or writing a content. But comedy itself is a new business. There's a huge number of a business now. UI UX design is a figuring it out how people can is a design job, how people can consume your website or your idea is another art. Today, lots of people are going to the screenwriting because they have ideas, they want to write, they can story tell, writing it. Many people from School of Arts going to filmmaker. I think my classmate Ravi Jadhav making a movies. Mahesh Limay made lots of movies. I think interesting filmmaker is the next big thing. App developer. I think the technology meet science meet marketing meets program. I think it's a new again developer as app developer. If I have idea, I can come to you. You can help me to put entire app together. It's another business. Many people are doing illustration by himself. Uh, Small printing setup. Somebody start a cool T-shirt design. Somebody starting a shoe business. One guy went to Dharavi and start a small leather bag business. He's an entrepreneur. It's a completely another ball game. There's a new thing that I will do my own business. Also are coming. My time it is impossible to be entrepreneur. I was very poor family. I have to make money every month so I can buy my so I can take care of my family and myself. People are investing so much time to creating new product ideas, new IP ideas, intellectual property. So earlier, all those options would not exist. Today, I think, damned who moved my business or who took my business. You, all kids from School of Arts, have not only one job is advertising. In advertising, you have a 20 other jobs. You can be a filmmaker in advertising, you can be copywriter, you can be producer, you can be a moment writer, you can activation writer, you can content writer, you can many things you can do. Stand-up comedian, you can make a show, you can make a movie, you can write a copy, you can produce the film, you can act, you can find a 10 other people, make a content, 100 things we can do. So everything I'm showing you here, all these new avenues open recently, and this all avenues has one amazing thing is their global platform. Today, you're entrepreneur, you have one .com idea. Good. If you don't have a .com idea, I have an app idea. Very good. If you don't have an app idea, I want to be filmmaker. You have a script. Very good. No, I want to direct. Very good. I want to be stand-up comedy. Very good. No, I have a product idea. Very good. I have a script. Very good. I want to many options open. Advertising is just one option. I will say figure it out very early. Otherwise, less and less jobs are there's no jobs where you wanna do. I think I hope I can tell you how many options you have from School of Arts. Next slide. Okay. If I take one section out of that is advertising agency, if we decide, chalo, I want to work in ad agency. How many options we have? So next slide. Okay. I'm just talking about this is the standard. There'll be hundreds of agencies, but I put 5 6 names there. I have to go to Ogilvy or I go to Lowe or McCann or Publicis, Leo Burnett. All these ad agencies, I can get a job. Nothing wrong with that. It's absolutely fine. Somebody genuinely believe I want to make a career. There's so many good options. Of course, there's so many small, tiny agencies. If you believe right culture, they're paying you well. Who's the boss? He has won some award. The guy you're joining, he has done some great work, and you think he's your hero, he's your aspiration. That's a fantastic option. But I think I read a book long time back and coronavirus. I will make this whole presentation in two part. Is a BC and AC. I'm just cracking a joke. BC means early days before Christ bolte the, but I will say before coronavirus and after coronavirus, BC and AC. I think after coronavirus, I will say world is changed. Okay, today, if you go to Ogilvy in New York, the people who making lots of money in Ogilvy, New York, and they're charging 100 times more money. But the copywriter who work in Ogilvy, New York, is sitting in a small town in Ohio. Right now, last 5 months he at home, and next another 6 months he's going to be home, and he's working from home. So how that matter which agency you're working for and which city? So there's a book I read many years ago called World is Flat, written by Thomas Friedman. He started the book from Bangalore about how technology is making. So earlier say Earth is round, world is round, and the guy says because of globalization and technology, world is a flat. Now doesn't matter which part of the world you're sitting. You can sit wherever you are, or you can work wherever you are, but you can do much more things. So I think after coronavirus, I'm looking into all you students. The future is 100 times better when the world is talking about a problem. I'm looking opportunity because the careers are going to start. So we go to the next slide. So example, there's a two schools. One is School of Arts in Mumbai, and just imagine this School of Arts in the London, right hand side. Okay, now you Bombay student who finish the college, take a job, one of these agencies left inside. London has a 16 School of Arts, 1 6. The population is our is a 1.2 billion official, 1.5 billion unofficial. 1.5 billion, they are only 60 million. They just imagine how many times bigger population we are versus Britain. Now Britain itself is only 60 million population. That is the number of people are jobless in America. Okay, that is the population of England, and a 16 School of Arts. So 1,600 students pass out every year to look a job in ad agency in London itself. But me, when I went to London, I worked in 5 years. I realized getting a job in London was very, very, very tough because being Maharashtrian, I study in a Jewish school. I have a choice to study take English or Marathi. I took Hebrew. I speak better Hebrew than many other Jewish people. But always curious about languages. I took Hebrew, and language is a big barrier for me when I moved to London for 5 years to explaining my accent and changing my accent. 90% people, even in Britain, also people who come from Scotland, has a very different accent. Dover, down south from Britain, they come from different accent. If you're coming from southern part of Ireland, is a different accent. Like how somebody is a even Maharashtra, somebody from Kolhapur has a different accent. Nagpur has a different accent. That only 5 8 hours drive. There is driving a more than a 15 18 hours, but accents are different. Point I want to make here is today the people who get an admission in a School of Arts in London, they finish, they get a job at McCann. In India, I finished School of Arts, I'm trying to get a job in McCann. But after coronavirus, I don't think that London and India is matter anymore. The guy is getting looking a job in London, also in his house, and somebody who job looking a job in JWD Bombay, finished School of Arts, also is in home. So it's a home to home. That doesn't matter. You're not talking about cities. So 16 School of Arts, getting a job, it's tough in London. It's 100 times more salary. 100 times means if you're earning here 10,000, there you get a 10 lakh. I'm talking about that ratio. Our dollar pound today is around 90 rupees, 900 times. So go to the next slide. So here is my idea. Today, the 16th School of Arts in London, then home and they're looking a job and they are online. They're not physically going anywhere. When they go physically, I think world is moving in a technology advance after coronavirus. That kid in London, he looking a job not only in a London. He's looking a job, any low agency. He will say, hey, I think my great grandfather live in India, great grandfather, 100 years ago. He born there. I always heard it's the exotic country, India. I want to go to look a job in low India. Why not? Maybe low Bangalore or low Bombay. For any English guy in London, he have three choices to get a job in low, or four choices. He can get a job at low Calcutta. He can take a job at low Bombay, low Bangalore, and if he is looking a global student, he is not only looking a local agency, because I think this world is flat. Whichever city, whichever agency, whichever place, actually because 1600 students, there are only 10 agencies, 15 agencies in London. Everybody won't get a job. The minute he don't get a job, he start going to look at the outside because there's no job, and he is going to take a job in India. When he's going to take a job in India, he's a Gora guy. I can be. I should take his job in London. Why can't? So go to the next slide, Sumit. Okay. If he get a if he get a job in a low Bangalore, he will meet a girlfriend like this. If somebody you guys take a job in BBDO London, you can get a girlfriend like this. I think this joke. But I think the point here is people are not looking job in their own local place. I think world is getting more and more flat. I think the time is gone. I will say this whole coronavirus, you guys are ready to take an opportunity in the future. Technology is making world is smaller. I think start looking for job that is the best job in the world. I think there's a movie called Sholay has a dialogue कि बच्चा सो जाने तो गब्बर सिंह आ जाएगा. I think that American mother is talking today. They say, kid, focus on your work, otherwise the Indian kid will come and take your job. They're worried. We will go today, huge number of Indians taking the big jobs. I think technology is in our side. English is in our side. Geo gave a fantastic internet, every small town and smart mobile phones. I think it is a time to stop thinking in finding a small job in a small company. You have to stop that. I think this is the time to find a big thing. I will be, this is the time to Google, maybe Google it, find a job in your favorite company, in your favorite city in the world. If you felt you want to go to Japan, go Google, keep a courage to learn Japanese. I think my classmate, I think four of my classmates, Richaman and me, our classmates, Shashank Sangle, Sachin Patil, Shashank Shigwan, Yogita Patil, all these kids, they're in Japan right now. I was in Japan few months ago, around 8 months ago. I met all these Maharashtrian kids there. So I think that time is gone where I have to think about small. I think my only advice is, and only thing, how can we convert this coronavirus in the most positive way? It is a chance. If you're a good student, look at the world, go to the world, cross the border, make it happen. Okay. And here is my last slide. I will say it is a time to compete with the world. I think all you students has exactly same internet that somebody from London or somebody from Spain, somebody from Brazil, somebody in Russia. I think this is a time to go other country, other city, other culture, because we have a age, we have a power and courage to fight. We are ambitious and we are jugadu. We can make it happen. So I believe all you guys have a potential that nobody can compete. We understand the jugad world. We know what hunger is. We know what humanity is. We have an apathy about other people. I think we will be a rock star if we start opening our mind and start looking a job and start looking up good design. I think it is a time to beat all the goras and take us to the global platform. I think Modi said sometime back that vocal for local. I said now local has to grow global. All Indian brands will start going to globally. If you think there's some school in Sweden doing very good work, compete with that student, that guy and you. Sweden guy also going to find a job in New York. Why can't you can go and get a job in New York? Why you allow him to take a job? Go and take that job. Make money in a bloody dollars and pounds. Buy houses in Madison Avenue. And nothing wrong with that. Until first stop thinking that we can't. We can. I'm not giving you some pep talk where I'm gently telling you. It is a fucking possible. It is a possible now. I think coronavirus is just one way it telling the world doesn't matter where are you sitting. Everything is computer. Today, I don't know where you guys sitting. Maybe some of the kids living in a slum, and some of the kids don't have a parents. Some of the kids are so poor they don't have a bread and butter to खाने के लिए पैसा नहीं होगा. But they are there. They're watching it from their mobile. And not only Raheja, the many other design schools across the country like this. I think this is our time. Corona, whoever was very good was before coronavirus. After coronavirus, is not like how good tasty restaurant that was. After coronavirus, is that restaurant is safe or not? Doesn't matter how good movie theater what is earlier. It is safety or not. Doesn't matter how this agency was won very award, but this agency is relevant in the future or not. I think this is the time. Doesn't matter somebody live in a Malabar Hill or somebody live in Devnar. Doesn't matter. Or live in other part of the India. We all are equal. Life is going to start it after this coronavirus. Look at where coronavirus is going to open more doors for us. Think about where the future is. I think anybody who convert this pandemic time as a positive side, they are going to be the winner. And trust me, people think rubbish, but sometime in Marathi, my mom said, ki sometimes there's Saraswati on the tongue. You say something can happen. Means next Mark Zuckerberg can be one of you guys. I won't be surprised because what Mark Zuckerberg has that time, the technology that he can develop the app for Facebook. Today we have it. My time in a school of arts, when the One Show magazine came, a book come after 2 years. There's no internet that time. When I start my career in a 97, with that time was no computer. Computer was floppy. Just came that 97 computer came to India. So I saw bromide and cutting, pasting, and illustration and handwritten typography and handwritten fonts. I can see what happened. I say you guys have a fantastic future. I think we are not a fancy school. We are a modern school. We are hardworking. We are a genuine, good human being. Future is ours. Internet made us equal. I can look for job exactly the same job that world's best student is looking for. I think that is where I think we all should go. Next slide. Sumit, there's a next slide or no? Oh, another two things, but all these things you need to do. I think find your passion, what you like to do in really life. Today, somebody wanted to be a illustrator. Okay, the guy who's so driven that I wanted to go for sketching in the morning. You don't need an alarm clock. So I think this is a small declaration. If you like something now, you don't have to anybody come and say do this. You don't need an alarm clock in life. That one day somebody you realize or somebody has to get you up. Get up. You have to read a book. Get up. You do sketching. Get up. You write a campaign. Get up. Do the project. You need to find your passion. And when you have passion, you get up automatically, right? I think it's very important slide. If find out what made you to get up 4 o'clock and give a joy and smile to do that job. Do that job. If you do that, you never ever have to work all your life. You do what you like to do and make fortune, make lots of money. I think many successful people, the most amazing thing in their life was they love what they do. Find out what your passion is and pursue your passion. Eventually, you will end up with there. But how to judge your passion is you want to get up early. You don't need alarm because just think about that passion, that joy, happiness will get you up. So it just you will reach much better place than somebody tells you and you follow that. Next slide. I think I said it. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. You never. You always doing what you like to do, and it will be fantastic. Next. Thank you. Thank you, guys. that is uh, in this small screen. Whatever I can say, I put my heart on the table, and I'm telling you, I think it's possible. Coronavirus is a problem for millions and billions. Maybe people are your family may be getting half salary. Many people are losing their jobs, but I will say, look at it. This is an opportunity to do something brilliant. Convert this problem to your this weakness as your strength and kick the ass. Take a name, create your name. That's it. So one word: compete with the world. You're no less. It's a time to compete with the best student in the world. Time to go and the best job in the world. Time to start the best entrepreneur idea in the world. Don't do it for small things. Do it big. Do it in global level. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Raj sir. It's great vision to our student.
You guys can hear
Really.
me and you can see me, right? You guys can
Yes,
see
sir.
me or not?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. We can see you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Raj
Okay.
sir.
Mhm.
Now student can ask their questions.
Yeah, please. What are the job opportunities? I can't see the line. It's only half. Can you send again the question?
So what are the job opportunities for the content creation? Is the
A
question.
lot. I think, see, because we are School of Art student, one good opportunity is we are not typical engineers or something. We are much more open mind, creative mind. So we can do much more than just the illustration or storyboard. But content is the future. Content is a kind of a 30-second ad made in a 3 minutes or 30 minutes movie. So they're all same. But today you can make a set, you can be actor, you can write a script, you can do million things. So future of writing content, yeah, is not bad. It's a version between the movies and TV commercials in between. If you can write a TV ad, you can write the content. You can write a movie, you can write the content. So content means 1 minute video, 2 minute video, 3 minute video, but the videos, content. So you can produce it, you can write it, you can direct it, you can act it, you can sell it, you can make your own platform, you can make a funny, crazy videos and sell it to YouTube. And if they have 1 million likes, you start getting money. So it's a tremendous potential on a content. Content, if you ask what is content, content means ideas again. It's an idea. You need an idea. What is the content idea? Okay. Next question.
Huh? Sir, I want to ask you one question.
Okay, Swapna.
Yeah, sir, how has the industry changed since you joined it and when you see it today?
Very good question. It changed not dramatically. It changed, I will say, very less when I started my career, and it will be stay the same way. I think our business, when I started a career, that time was no Photoshop, and Photoshop came. People thought, oh my God, it's like a game changer. And people today, nobody was talking about Photoshop. I think the one thing that stays constantly from my time to this time is ideas. Ideas,
Okay.
your ability to draw, ability to think differently, ability to solving clients' problem, ability to sell things that people don't need to buy. So that is going to be common. The platform will change. One day was a print ad, TV ad. Today this platform can be digital banner. After a few days, there's a big screen on the wall. And when you're coming home with a milk bag, suddenly the screen will appear because they can catch you by your mobile phone. They will tell you what's the name. And they're saying, Mr. Kamble, please buy milk, otherwise your wife will be upset. And I have to buy milk. Technology will be changed dramatically, but ideas and wittiness, hard work, I think it will stay same. So I would say change, but that change is obvious change. It's not the great change.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. What are the views on doing masters in advertising? I think it's a fantastic. If you want to do it, go deeper. I think there's so many institutes. If you really like the subject advertising, want to do a masters. After that, you want to work or teach. I think
Hamza,
there are hundreds of things you can do. So I think you really have to afford it. If you can afford it, do PhD, go deeper. I think it's a very, very good idea. I will definitely recommend. How long it took to get my accent? See, I studied in a Jewish school, so my accent when I went to London was very different. And when I go to London, I start speaking with British accent because that's the only way they understand my accent. And then I went to New York, that's a different accent. When I came to India after 15 years, I have an American accent. And when I meet the client, they thought this guy has accent, how he know Indian market. So I tried to get a Ghati accent. So I took my blade out, try to speak as Hindi as I can, start writing as Hindi I can, and speak that people can see. I can talk to the rickshawala, to the CEO of a Reliance, how I can talk to them. So I think language accent doesn't matter. Is what you say. Tomorrow, one French guy come to me and he say bad Marathi. He say how are you in Marathi? How are you in Marathi? It doesn't matter how he said it. What he said, it mattered to me. I think I met. There's a very big director. I shot a film with him called Michel Gondry. He's a French guy. He can't. Those days he don't speak a single English word. He's a French, and he made that movie called Eternal Sunshine and Spotless Mind with the Jim Carrey. Very good movie. So he can't speak English, and he have a very French thick accent with his English. But what he did, what he says, how you say doesn't matter. What you say is matter. So finally, can we see the difference, right? Doesn't matter somebody speak very good English, but what he's saying it doesn't make any sense. Nobody cares. But somebody has a bad English, but what he's saying it makes sense. People will respect you. So I think language or accent is always to just pass the words to communicate my idea is a vehicle, is not the idea. I think world's best movie writer and you both has exactly A to Z letters. You also have A to Z, and he also have A to Z. But he used those letters in the most beautiful words, so he can make a poem. He wrote he wrote a movie or content, and we have the same letters, but we can't. So letters are same. They're just words. So I will say never get scared with your accent or your English. What you have behind that, what is saying it matters. So accent changes when I go to London, different. When I go to New York, different. When I'm speaking to you, I try to speak Hindi or try to speak Marathi as I possible. When I go to my client, different. Tomorrow I'm talking to a Marwadi client, I will try to speak money language. It's a different language, financial language. Every single word I use, how he can make more money using me. That is a different language. Okay. How does one took opportunity outside India? I can't see that. Sorry, can you do it again?
I'll say, how does one look for opportunities outside India? Should we look somewhere in specific?
First, you decide what you want to do. Once you decide what you want to do, then then is your world. Yeah, I think there's a US is a big market. I will definitely recommend US market first, then UK. If you work because the population is big, every city, the from here to Paris, from here to London, as a space that much is New York to San Francisco. That big a country. So I think America, I will say, is the first choice if you're ever looking for study, further study or job. Because in London or Singapore or Dubai, there is only one Ogilvy. But New York has one Ogilvy, San Francisco has Ogilvy, Chicago has Ogilvy, Miami has Ogilvy. So like seven Ogilvies there. So you have a 700 time more chances to get a job in US. So I will definitely say, uh, doesn't matter. Anybody who go to other country, why we have to go to America? Go to Israel, go to Germany, go to Spain. I think, and you're going there. You don't have to go nowadays. You can work from your India, your house, but you're taking money in a dollars and pounds and euros. That's what I'm talking about. You're competing with the global people, doing a world class job.
There is one more question, sir. Which college you will suggest for doing masters?
I, I won't recommend that. I think you do. Uh, every college has their own strength. Uh, I run my own college, my school after graduate. We have around, I have around 14, 18 students in Google in New York. Even my Miami Art School has around 70 students in New York City. They all got a job. Perhaps anybody who took a Miami Art School and went there, nobody come back. It's after post graduation school, not undergraduate. But every school, there are many schools, man. What you can afford, what you want. I can't say anything specific school, but study a future study. Like if you get it, if you can afford it to study in abroad, I think you should definitely try. I think is going to change the game for your life. Yes, I think the question is digital media is taking over the print media? Yeah, I think digital is a kind of a at the moment is a bad version of a print ad. It's a small 2 inch by 3 inch banner. Is it tough to art direct it? But eventually the typography on the banner, the when I click the reaction back. So I think the print media is coronavirus. People don't want to touch the newspaper. They don't want tangibly touching. So print is in general. Plus, I think trees. I think future is going to be sustainable, environment friendly. All businesses, everybody's conscious about all those issues. So digital is going to be slightly going to take 2 3 steps ahead than print at the moment. It will go more further. Print is going to go less and less. But the craft, the writing, the designing, the medium will change. But somebody can design a very good print ad, even a very good banner. So we don't have to worry about as a media buying. But I think it's earlier print ad is the one way. Whatever I design, that's it. Say I design a website, it's a interactive. When I click something, the reaction come back. Somebody say something, then music happen. Print ad don't have a music. Banner you can put music. Banner you can put illustration. Many things. So I think just media change the idea what we require to do print ad. The same idea you need to do new media. So media is changing, but somebody good print ad who can do very good digital ad. No difference. Copywriting is important. Yes, copywriting is very important, and many kids who are very good designers, they also can write copy. I think early days, particularly Maharashtra, they have a pattern. Lots of Parsis who are writer because they come from English school, convent school. Lots of Marathi art directors early days, they can't write English, but today I think that border is moving less and less. Anybody can write. So the people today titles they're getting lesser. Anybody can be copywriter. I have a Saurabh Kulkarni from your college, only Raja College. Today he is a creative director, copywriter in Ogilvy, but he was a art director. He studied in Raja. So I think that that roles are changing. If you can write better copy, you can art direct, do it. Whatever you can do. So and copywriting means you can whatever idea you have in your mind, you're writing in the words. art direction, whatever idea you in a mind, you're drawing it. But language can be improved and drawing can be improved. So I won't say copywriter is something unique. No, I think if you want to be copywriter, you can. If you can't write English, you can write very good Marathi. Idea what you're writing in Marathi matters. Movie called Sairat made more money than hundreds of other, thousands of other Bollywood movies. Language matter. I think the song on Sairat sold more and made more money and more popular than perhaps I even I always have a doubt Sairat and Sholay. If I compare, I will say the songs and everything Sholay after uh, 35 years and Sairat just like 3 years, 4 years. Uh, May Sairat is better, more relevant to people's life than Sholay. People can connect more with Sairat. That is a discussion in India with intellectual people talking about it. Mr. Bachchan, he himself now his new movie coming with the same director, June. He's saying that he's his favorite movie in last decade. So language doesn't matter anymore. Many Netflix shows they are Spanish, and I did not realize I'm watching Spanish show because so good. So it doesn't matter language anymore. Okay, question. Can you send the question back? Can you send the question back again? Ask the question again.
Yes, sir. What are the possibilities of job opportunities for college pass outs after COVID in 2021?
Mhm. As I said, is a job you will get it. You have to be ready to work hard and decide where you want to do, where you want to career. But job will be lesser. That's why I say try go to the right agency, join a more than right agency, join the right boss. Agency can be small, but your boss is very creative. He have won award. He has a name. He's an ideal guy. Versus a big agency and doing a bad work. Versus small agency working closely with the boss. You can take your career somewhere. So jobs are going to be less. I agree with you after COVID, but but maybe we can open many other different ways. Start looking a job in other cities. Start looking a job other part of the world also. Why isn't only India? Why in Mumbai? But it is going to be tough to get a job after COVID. So your what the question was? Somebody's 45 and he don't have a job and he's a designer. I think somebody sending a question, they send and goes in a 3 seconds, so I can read the question properly.
Yes, sir, I'll read it out.
Hmm.
If self-made graphic designer at the age of 45
Hmm.
is currently jobless,
Hmm.
what should he look forward to or what else he can do?
I think see the he's a graphic designer. He can do hundreds of things. Today he can make a learn a new program, moving images. Start making a small graphic design content. Learn new. He can make a movie titles because he's a graphic designer. He can design coffee mug. He can design art. He can do interior design. He can do digital design. He can do website design. I The new media is opening hundreds of doors. He can design a set. I think he can do much more than graphic design, the old school logo. Early days, you have fixed logo 2D. Today, I'm designing logo is a fluid. It can be go on the screen, suddenly change the color. Somebody go close to the logo change the color, change the shape, but it's the same logo. I think the future is 2.0 design. Whoever 45-year-old designer, he has to be 2.0 designer. That means you understand the technology, you have to accept it and trying to be a hybrid. That means old and new. He has to be in between, and he will make fortune. He just have to be listen to see something new. Again, I can see this. Uh, I don't know what the question was. It's too tiny, like
We
two
are
point size.
currently focusing on AI and Photoshop.
Hmm.
Apart from these softwares, which more softwares will be good to learn for a designer?
Uh, I have another person who actually showing the presentation from my office. His name is Sumit. Sumit is with me from the day one. Sumit, if you can come on the screen. And Sumit study MBA. Sumit is a first employee of my company, and he won so many awards in design and art direction. And he's not from School of Arts. He studied MBA in a college, and he came to me, and he said, "I want to be the best art director." And he don't know anything about what we study in 5 years. Today, he's the most awarded art director, creative director, and a partner in the company. And good part of Sumit is he can write a presentation, he can design a logo, he can do edit the film, he can make animation film, he can buy content, he can do user experience because he didn't come from a specific school. So he do lots of things. He is the first one 4 years ago. He decoded how to make a small animation film. Sumit, can you give us answer for this question?
Yes, yes. Thank you, Raj, for for, for sharing my thoughts. I think we currently focusing on the AI and PS. Apart from this software, I think the best thing I think you should explore, which is see now I think as Raj said that the future is moving. The future is animation. Future is graphic, which is on a moving because at the end we are doing a 2 second scroll on Instagram and we stop it somewhere. So because of lots of motion bit happening and because we are in general motion world, so After Effects and Dreamweaver, coding software, so those kind of bits which will help in your career. So I think that's what Raj was saying because AI and PS again lots of are in a static visual, like static medium, but just make sure okay, how to make small like starting from GIF, going forward with more. There's a basic small software in Windows called Movie Maker, and on Mac we have iMovie. So start small bits by editing and cutting, then mix and match by audio mixing, video mixing, and you get a good footage and you get whatever you like. So you will start building your skills that way. And I think future at the end you have to present some certain idea for yourself. So at the end you have to create a case study. So at the end for case study you need a video editing software. So After Effects and FCP, so those kind of software. Yes, Ra. Thank you.
Welcome, Sumit. I think he started a career with me. Uh, I think he decoded all those programs so fast. And I will say today, any school of art across the world, all the kids make their own videos, they make their own edits. I think we should all should know that is hygiene. Like 10 years ago, Photoshop was a hygiene. Like everybody should know if you are a director, should know hygiene. Today, you should know editing. You should know how to edit your video or small animation from your computer. Basic for typography. Can you put some music in that? Those are the basic thing, and everybody should know that. So I will say definitely we should start teaching those in the school also soon. Thank you, Sagar. So thank you, guys. I think I have to run, but I try to keep my presentation always very human. I think I hope I connect with you. I think I like to do presentation or talk to you guys from my heart to heart because you should feel that I'm one of you and you can genuinely find a solution of this presentation. Otherwise, it's just the presentation that I can say something big yarn with the accent and leave. And you will say, yeah, सब कुछ सही बोला, लेकिन I don't know where I can do, where I can start. I think people have my email ID, uh, 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 Raj at famous-india.in. I think talk to Ambedkar madam, she will give you, shoot a mail to me. More than happy to help any individual person need help. But all the best, and you guys are fantastic. Compete with the world. That is the plan. Hmm? Ma'am,
Thank you, Raj.
thank you. Thank
Now
you,
I
guys.
request the
Thank
principal
you.
ma'am to conclude the session with few words.
Okay. Should I stay or should I leave?
Today I am glad.
Please.
No, 1 second, sir. Only 1 second.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Today I am glad that Raj share his thoughts and guided our students. On this note, I would like to thank Mr. Raj Kamble for spending his valuable time with all of us. A big thank you from all of us at the Raheja School of Art. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Bye
much.
bye. You're welcome. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.